Today I'm going to teach you how to copy an Amazon product link and share it directly on WhatsApp. This is incredibly useful when you want to share product recommendations with friends or family, or perhaps coordinate gift purchases with a group. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the features we'll be using throughout this tutorial. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll type in whatever product you're looking for. Go ahead and enter your desired item into that search bar and hit enter to begin your search. You'll now see a list of products that match your search. Take a moment to browse through the results until you find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've spotted the right product, click on it to open the full product page. This is where you'll be able to see all the details and sharing options. On the product page, you might notice options for color, size, or other variations depending on what type of item you're viewing. Go ahead and select your preferred options now. This ensures that when you share the link, it will direct people to the exact version of the product you intended. Next, look for the Share button. You'll typically find this positioned right beside the product image or near the product title. Click on that Share button and a menu will appear with different sharing options. From this menu, select Copy Link. This action saves the product URL to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. Now it's time to switch over to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp in your web browser. You can do this by going to web.whatsapp.com if you haven't already accessed it. Once WhatsApp is open, select the chat or group where you want to share the Amazon product. This could be an individual conversation with a friend or a group chat where you're coordinating with multiple people. Finally, click into the message field at the bottom of the chat, then paste the link you copied from Amazon. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut. Once the link is pasted into the chat, simply click the Send button and your product link will be delivered to your contact or group. And there you have it. You've successfully copied an Amazon product link and shared it through WhatsApp, making it easy for others to view and potentially purchase the item you wanted to share. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.